Hi, Chanel here from Tips and Tricks HQ, and in this tutorial, we'll look at how you can refund a PayPal payment from your account. If the customer has deposited the amount into your PayPal account, the process is simple and easy. If your customer has paid you via an alternative method, the good news is you can simply send them the amount from PayPal as a means of refund. If your customer is requesting a refund 180 days or more after making the payment, the refund option will not be available. In this case, you'll need to manually use the send money option within your PayPal account to issue them a refund. Before I go ahead and I show you how you can achieve a PayPal refund, please note that you cannot reverse a PayPal refund once you've clicked the issue refund button. It is important to ensure the details are correct before you hit that button, as after the money is sent, it is out of your hands and it's out of PayPal's hands. I'll now go ahead and I'll log into my PayPal account to show you the easy steps involved in issuing a PayPal refund to a customer who originally paid via their PayPal account. I've arrived in my PayPal account where I've logged in, I've clicked on the activities menu, and I've used the transaction ID to locate the transaction that I'd like to refund. You can also search for a transaction using your customer's name or email address. So once you locate that transaction that you wish to refund, if it's got that action and it's got the refund button there, you can go ahead and do so. If you don't see the option to refund that payment, you may need to do it manually by going to money and then sending the money back to the correct email address. So if I click on that refund button, that'll take me to the issue refund page. It's here on the issue refund page that I'll need to ensure all the details are correct, and I choose the total refund amount that I'd like to offer. So if you'd like to just offer the total amount that was paid, that is by default put in that field there. Although if you wish to offer a partial refund, you might wish to change that to a smaller amount. Just ensure all the rest of the details are correct, and you can add an invoice number and a note to buyer if you wish to. If you don't have any PayPal funds, it may use your credit card or your savings card to issue that refund, and it will let you know down the bottom if this will occur. So if this occurs, it may go into a pending state and it may take a number of business days to complete the refund. So ensure you and your customer are happy with that, and if so, clicking that issue refund will push through that refund and complete the process. So I'll now go ahead and I'll click that issue refund button. As I mentioned, clicking that button will complete your refund entirely. So I've now completed my refund and my customer will be refunded their money. So if they now log into their PayPal account, they'll see a little notice that they've been refunded that money, and it'll either go to their PayPal account directly and show up in their balance, or if they originally paid by a credit card, it will go directly to that credit card. At this stage, you may also choose to email them yourself from your business email, just saying that you've issued them a refund via PayPal so that they can go ahead and check that off and ensure they've got the money in their PayPal account, or it's in a pending state and they know they'll get it on their credit card statement. So that pretty much brings us to the end of this tutorial on how you can issue a PayPal refund. If you have any further questions or queries, please just comment them below and we'll try and answer as many as we can.